Everyone, respected principal sir, madam, teachers, and my dear friend. My name is Alina Fatima. I am studying 5th standard. Learning. Today I am learning the lesson. The evergreen grove. One day they noticed a small sparrow struggling for life in the large trees. It was a tiny mango, spelling its leaves bravely peeking out from the soil. Thank you. Morning everyone, respected principals, madams, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Kavasri. I am from 5th grade. I am reading lesson The Heart of Friendship. Meena twinkled up her face, purple. Tara, she's a cute girl from school who always sit at the back. She very participated in colors or paintings competition. Thank you. Good morning everyone, my name is Ashish. I am from 5th grade. Today our topic name is Raja Ram Mohan Roy. When he was reading, Ram Mohan loved to play with his friends. They would swim in the local pond, would play into exciting shapes and play games of hide and seek in the large field. Thank you. Respected principals, sir, madam, teachers, and my dear friend. My name is Achivansh. Today, my lesson name is The Evergreen Grove. One day, they noticed a small sapling struggling for a life admire. The large tree, it was a tiny mango sapling. It lived badly, peeking out from the soil. Thank you. Everyone, respected principal, sir, madam, teachers, and my dear friends. I am reading about the Evergreen Grove. One day, they noticed a small sapling struggling for a life amidst the large trees. It was a tiny mango sapling. Its leaves barely peeking out from the soil. Thank you. Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Sandhya. I am studying in 5th standard. Today I am going to tell you a lesson named The Wise Owl and the Playful Mice. Not far from the grand oak tree where Ollie lived was a bustling colony of mice led by a small but charismatic mouse named Max. These mice were energetic and playful but also notorious for the naughty pranks they played on others. Thank you. Good morning everyone, respected principals and madam, teachers and my dear friends. Today I am telling you the silent town. Feeling lost. Growing up, Helen felt lost and confused. She wanted to tell people how to see felt, but she could not see, hear, or tell properly. She made her very hungry and sad. People around her did not know how to help her. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is M.K. Satya. I am studying in 7th standard. Today I am going to read Gulliver in Lilliput. At the first the ropes were too strong for him to break, but somehow after a long struggle Gulliver broke some of them. He could move one of his arms. When he saw this, the little people shouted and shoot here little arrows into him. But the arrows did not hurt Gulliver very much. They were like little pins. Thank you everyone. Good afternoon everyone. My name is M. Varshita. I am from 6th standard. Today I am reading lesson Plant a Tree. Trees make all the starch in the world. Starch is the most important part of our food. Without trees, we will not have any starch to eat. Trees help us to get rain. The leaves of trees breathe out a lot of water vapor into the air. This makes the all air cool. The cool air helps rainfall. Rain gives us water. No one can live without water, and we need trees to get water. Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Haripriya. I am studying in 6th grade. Today I am reading lesson. The lesson name is What Can a Dollar and 11 Cents Do? That well-dressed man was Dear Carton Armstrong, a famous neuron surgeon. He had admitted to hospital where he operated on him without any changes. Within a few weeks, Adwell was come to back and doing well. The surgeon has Mummy Shepherd was a real miracle. I wonder how much it does have cost. Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, I'm Pavani. I am from 6th grade. Today I am going to read a lesson. Telangana, the pride of the peoples. Dad, what is the specials in the news? Why are you so emotional? Kiran asked. Today is the red letter day for us, dear. The universe government has declared that Telangana has 29 states of the country. It took years for the government to take the discussions. Many people sacrificed their lives for our states. We need to remember that who sacrificed their lives for Telangana states. Now we have owned our states with our own cultures, Hari said. Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Etarunasri. I am studying in 6th class. Today I am going to read lesson Peace and Harmony. Now it was easy for the jackal to hunt the smaller animals and the birds, and when the smaller animal cried out for help, no one came to help them. No, by one, little ones disappeared. The forest slept as animals were afraid. There were no musical evenings. The moon was sad. He cried. Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ruvika. I am studying in 6th standard. Today I am going to read poem My Shadow. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me, and what can be the use of him is more than I can see. He is very, very like me from the hills up to him jump before me when I jump into my bed. Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Shriyashri. I am studying in 6th grade. Today, I am reading a poem. If a tree could talk, if a tree could talk, what would it say? Don't chop me down, just walk away. If a river could talk, what would it say? Don't dump in trash, throw it away. If the river could talk, what would it say? The factories must learn to keep smoke away. If the animals could talk, what would they say? Help us to live, we wish to say. If the earth could talk, what would it say? Protect me by making every day Earth Day. Thank you. Everyone, respected principal sir, madam, teachers and my dear friends. Myself Mariam Begum. I am from 6th grade. Today I am reading a lesson, An Adventure. It's nothing, just a piece of paper with CLP written on it, said Seema. Don't throw it, let me see it, said Arun. As he took the paper from her, he looked at it carefully and said, See, if you look at the turn edge of the letter, which could be E and not a C. Thank you. Respected principal sir, madam, teachers and my dear friend. Myself, Seva Shake. I am studying in 6th standard.
Today I am reading a lesson. Half the price. What gift could a fisherman give expert fish? But this fisherman was too old to go far out into the sea. Every day he saw several big fish in the sea and tried to catch one, but he failed. Then one day he was lucky. A very big fish fell into his net and he immediately set off for the Raja's place with great joy, but at the place gate, the gatekeeper stopped him. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Siddhi. I am studying in 7th A. Today I am reading the lesson. The lesson name is Health and Strength. Sports has grace and dignity in every moment and she likes a lot of physical activity. She is not proud but she does not like the company of others much. Therefore, you hardly find anybody with her except on festive occasions. Games, unlike her sister, likes the company of others. You will find at least two or three, and sometimes as many as level people with her. Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Varsha. I'm from 7th grade. Today I'm reading the lesson, The Miser. Once there was a very rich man. He was a miser. He ate cheap food and spent very little money. He lent money to small shopkeepers at a high rate of interest. In this way, he earned a lot of money. Every morning, he went out to see the shopkeepers and came home at midday. The miser had a watchman to look after his house. The watchman lived in a hut near the cave. He liked fish and his wife could eat for him every day. The watchman told his wife, "Cook the fish before midday. Our master will be out then. He does not eat meat or fish and he will not like the smell of fish." Thank you.